Hi guys, this is No Nose Trace, and today we're going to be describing each paint job and wondering what happens in describing weird paint jobs in 10 words or less. All the weird paint jobs I could find in 10 words or less. So let's get into it. Why are there so many colors? And it's going to be described so I'll describe this one as colorful. Why does it sort of look like a cow? And I'm describing this one as old camera. I'm just footage. And copier I describe it as. And why is it copy? Why does it look like a CSX heritage unit? And I'm describing it as blue lettering. Okay, I included this one because why? Just why? Describe it as out of country. What does the Red Sea stand for? A sign of the crashes? Yes. Crashes ahead. Described. Why is it white? And I'll describe it as the white. Southern Pacific. Why is it pink, and whose company is this? I'm describing it as the pink. Why does it look like a cow? And I'm describing this one as moo.